Hello everybody, my name is Kalle. I work as the head of sales of Europe here at Artome. At Artome we produce all-in-one movable audiovisual solutions that are completely installation free.
Is this ultra short throw?
Yes. So in our products we use Epson projectors. This particular model uses an ultra short throw Epson projector to give us big image size from not too far away from the wall.
Nice. How's the quality of the image?
The quality, as you can see, is pretty darn good. We have lots of light here at our booth, and still, you have with using an ALR screen, you get a very, very good image quality.
What's the optical engine of the ultra short throw?
So this model from Epson is an Epson EB-805 that utilize 3LCD techniques.
Nice. And there's a bunch of stuff happening here with speakers.
Yeah. So inside what you're looking at, you can see there's a 2.1 sound system with 2 front-facing speakers and subwoofer on the bottom. Then you have the Epson ultra short throw projector as mentioned, and our own technology which then seamlessly links all of this together and gives the user a very easy user experience.
What's your own technology?
So what we have done is we have built the integration around the projector. So basically everything else is produced and assembled by us. So the furniture, the technology, which again gives you the connectivity for meeting rooms, where you might need microphones, cameras, extra speakers, and so on.
So, for example, when you close it up, it's easy to roll around.
Yeah.
Move it to another place.
I can show the moving of the product with this model here. So imagine you're in a space where you might have need one-time use 60 inches image, or at some points you need 150. You just alternate the image by taking the device further away from the wall and again moving it back closer according to your own needs.
That's an awesome kind of like experience at the office, no?
Yeah.
Or the school. Where could it be?
So most of our products are sold to education, where they have very big spaces that they want to use very flexibly. But we also offer these products to corporates in the B2B market in their flexible modern office spaces.
So you do ultra short throw, you also have a short throw? What is this one?
So this one is the biggest model of our product line. It uses a Epson projector as well, with the EB-PU2010 at 10,000 lumens with LU04 lens.
Can we look inside?
Yeah, so this one you would access from the back panel here. So now the integration is not the most neat, but you have the Epson projector with the LU04 lens and all the connections that you would need to connect your laptop, your mini PC, your Apple TV, your Chromecast, your ClickShare, all the accessories that you might want to connect.
It's really practical to have everything in one box?
Correct. That's one of the biggest values that we offer, is that everything is seamlessly integrated into one box, allowing you to move it around, use it to whatever you might need it for.
What I think would be nice is also seamlessly integrate with wireless speakers or something like that.
So here we have an example of an integration that you could do. So for example, here we have added the Catchbox wireless microphone system. We have a mini PC inside. We have air server for wireless casting and Rolls Bluetooth for Bluetooth audio.
Nice. So if you want to have bigger sound system, you can just wirelessly.
Correct. So all our products also have the XLR out, which allows you to connect additional speakers to it.
And where's your company based?
So we're a Finnish company. We're based an hour from Helsinki. Our production facility is also located there. So in Finland we have a standard of very high quality. So that's what we take a lot of pride in as well.
And why are you always working with the Epson?
We have found Epson to be a very good partner for us. Of course, they produce high quality products. They're also very environmentally conscious, so they share some of the same values that we do.